Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple yet essential steps to launch the Adobe Acrobat desktop app. Whether you need to read, edit, or manage your PDF files, knowing how to quickly open Acrobat sets the foundation for everything else you'll do. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have several reliable ways to get Acrobat up and running, no matter what device you're using or what situation you're in. Let's get started. First off, if you're using a Windows computer, one of the most straightforward methods is through the Start menu. Just click that familiar Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, the one that opens up your list of programs. Once you click it, start typing Acrobat in the search bar. As you type, Windows will instantly filter your results and most likely Adobe Acrobat will pop up right at the top. Click the application and voila, Acrobat is now launching. This method is great because you don't need to scroll through a long list of programs. Windows search function will do the hard work for you. And if you're ever unsure about the app name, remember, even typing just the first few letters usually gets you where you need to be. Now, let's switch gears to Mac users. On a Mac, your go-to place for all applications is the Applications folder. You can find it by opening Finder and clicking Applications in the left sidebar. Scroll down until you see either Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, depending on what you've installed. Then just double-click the icon to open it. This method is nice because it gives you a quick overview of everything installed on your Mac. If you've got a lot of applications, don't worry, you can use the search bar in the upper right corner of Finder to filter the list down even faster. But what if you're already staring at a PDF file on your computer and just want to open it in Acrobat straight away? No problem. Here, what you can do, find the PDF file, right-click on it and select Open With. A menu will appear. Look for Adobe Acrobat in the list of available programs and click it. Acrobat will launch and your PDF will be ready for viewing or editing immediately. This approach saves time because you skip opening the app first. Plus, it's really handy if you have multiple PDF apps installed and want to be sure you're using Acrobat for those advanced features. Sometimes convenience is the name of the game. If you've pinned Acrobat to your Windows taskbar or your Mac dock, launching it is as easy as clicking the icon once. I recommend pinning Acrobat if it's a tool you use frequently. It's like keeping your favorite book handy on your desk. You don't have to search for it every time, it's always right where you want it. Okay, those are the 4 main methods, but I want to reassure you. There's no wrong way to launch Acrobat. Pick whichever method fits your workflow and stick with it. And don't worry if things feel a bit slow the first few times. As you get comfortable, you'll find your rhythm and launching Acrobat will become second nature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, maybe something didn't quite work on your system, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it and make sure to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.